Okay, here we are again. Just another rainy night. Another rainy night. But I don't mind. A nice rain like this is kind of relaxing, as long as it's not a, full-on storm where it's blowing in the door and whatnot. It's nice just to kick back, sit back in the edge of the garage and watch it rain. Watch a little TV, of course, too. Diners, drive-ins, and dives. I mean, how can you go wrong with that, right? In the process of trying to get this garage all cleaned up, and the basement, rented a dumpster out there. It's amazing how much stuff you can accumulate over 11 years, man. Crazy. But yeah, that's what's going on in my world. Just sitting here watching it rain. Until next time, thanks for watching.